Have you ever wondered how to make the unstable Orbital Strike Cannon in Minecraft? Well, in this video I'm gonna show you. So, you will need to have two things. The first one is, of course, a working datapack. And the second thing will be a basic knowledge of Minecraft commands. We will be using that later in the video. Okay, so we go to tutorial folder, then data, and then to Minecraft. And in the tags folder we need another folder called function, and in there will be two functions, so you can make whatever document you want, but you will have to rename it to .json, and this will be our load function or our load JSON, and then we will have also a tick JSON. They have to be named like this. So we go to our tick function, and in here there will be just a short code, this one, and the thing is the values are the name of the data pack and then the name of the function that you want to be ticking. Like, this means that it will be ticking every 1/20th of the second. Next up is the load JSON, and it will be practically the same, but we want it to be named load. This is the name of the function. It doesn't have to be load, but I make it load. And what this means is when you start the world or you reload the world, it means that this will be just once played. Or so now we need the functions. So our tutorial, and make another folder called function, like this. And in here there will be all of our functions. How you make a function is you make a document, you name it. We want this to be the tick function. You name it tick because we put into our tick JSON that it has to be named tick, and .mc function. Yes. And what it makes is basically a command block, and because it's tick, it means that it will be something like a repeating command block. And in there we can put normal commands that you know. For example, say hi. Then we make our load function, again the same, but it has to be named load, and in there we can say, for example, what up. The important thing is you can't have here the slash. It will break the whole thing, so we don't put it there. So now we load up our game, and as you can see, the server is saying hi, and you can't really see the first message because it got spammed so fast. But if I do /reload, which reloads the whole data pack, you can see it flashed there, what's up, or what up. And what we can do is do data pack list, and here you can see all of our active data packs and also inactive, and we can do data pack disable and our data pack to stop the spamming. What you have to remember is to enable it once you want to try something. Okay, so now it's time for the snapshot. If you don't know what the snapshot is, here, let me show you. So let's get to it. So first of all, we need another function, and let's call it, for example, snapshot. And I have disabled the tick so it won't spam the chat. and let's make it, for example, summon TNT 3 blocks into the direction that we are looking at, and for example 1 above. So let's reload and let's do function and stop shot. As you can see, it is here and it summons the TNT. But of course this TNT won't be enough. This is just one TNT and it takes a long time for it to blow up. So let's fix that. So I have added this, and it makes it so it blows up instantly, and with the power of 3 we'll see what it does. And I'll go ahead and reload and do function and stop shot. Oh, that was actually weaker than before, so let's up it up, for example to 10. Again, reload, and yeah, that was stronger. But the step shot isn't one TNT, it's more in a straight line from bedrock to the sky. So let's make it. Okay, so we have our stop shot. As you can see, it works. It does a hole to the almost to bedrock, and it was just like that, pretty easy. And now we go ahead and make ourselves the real Orbital Strike Cannon. So let's go ahead and make another function called the, I don't know how it's called really, let's call it the normal shot, and let's go inside and make it. So I'll start with this one, and this makes the primary TNT, which will make all of the other TNTs go to the side from the middle. So it will look like one TNT that's going around, but there will be a lot of them stacked into one another, and this is the first one that will ignite and push everything outside. So this is a small version of it, and as you can see, it perfectly works. And all we need now is just to make the fishing road work. But this will be in another video. So see ya. And for example, if you don't like villagers, you can just use this to get rid of them. But I think the normal shot is better for this. Go on.